Alright, your name, manager?
Lester McLean.
So Lester McLean, the manager of the Commodore team, manager and coach. How are you feeling this afternoon?
Yeah, first and foremost, I feel good, but I take credit for me alone because Ocean Foster is our next manager as well. Me and him together.
Okay.
So he's unfortunately out there with the next players. Them enjoy themselves by victory and them happy.
How true it is? I heard that you had played a game earlier down in Nollis.
Yeah, we lost semi-final in Nollis last week. We won the third place just now, since night before they come here. So most of my players, it's the second game tonight, so they were legs were kind of weak. Well, they still managed to stood up.
I tell you what I've seen, they ran for the entire game if you ask me. And that means this must have been more joy. You won a third place and now you're in the final of the Northwest St. Catherine Corner League. Yes, so what can we expect in the final from Commodore?
Clean, discipline, more discipline, because that needed in a mighty.
Commodore, is this a homegrown team? Is it a community team? How much of your players you have from outside of Commodore playing for you?
To be honest, I don't have no Premier League ballers. It's all in-town baller, Commodore.
Very good, that sounds good. And they match up very well with some notable players that we have seen in and around Jamaica playing football. So, Mr. Manager, thank you very much and all the best in the finals.
Yeah, man, thank you, too.
Much respect.
All right.
This one? Yeah, man,